Hello everyone. Today on this lecture we'll be making a simple web crawler which will just crawl into a website and extract the URL. So our objective for today is that we'll be visiting the website which is awards.com, which is one of my favorite websites, which has a list of all the website which has got the prizes. You can visit this link. Let's go and visit awards.com. Yeah, fine. Till then it's loading, and then what we'll be doing is we'll crawl the website and then extract the links of the website which has been awarded by this awards.com. And furthermore, what in our for in our we'll expand this program by saving all those extracted links in a text files, and the name of the text file with the query that we have given to our crawler to extract from the URL. Let's see a physical example for that. Oh, fine. This is our website, awards.com. It has the list of all those. Let's see. Yeah. So I got this. So just look at this. It's one of the beautiful websites. So this award.com has actually has a list of all those websites which has been nominated for the best websites, and according to your vote it gets the website usually gets a recognitions and all. So what we'll be trying to do is, now it's a very lengthy process. Suppose that I happen to type the name of the website as let's search for the categories of the game websites which has been awarded or has been nominated. Fine, got the list of the website. Now what I need to do is I will just go to tab, then visit this. Fine, then I will visit this, and then I will just click on this, and then I'm then redirected to the actual website which has been awarded. So what we are actually trying to do is we will simply try to extract from this award website. Now let's game website. Let's close this. So I hope you must have understood what our objective for this is. We'll just extract these links. These links will extract it directly from the site. Let's cancel this out. So because it's if you need to search for one or two websites, then it's good. But if you have to search a list of, yeah, let's see, let's again search for the game, and then we get, just get a couple of websites, then you have further the 5 of the tabs. You get list of the tabs, then you need to then visit each and every one. You will have to face two landing screen to visit the actual website. So with this program of Python, what we are trying to do is we'll extract those links, directly those links, and then save those links in the text file. Now after saving those text files, we can after having those links in the text file, we can directly visit the links, and then we can do whatever we like to do, or we can get the basic ideas. So in this model we'll be using the Python version as 2.7, and the Python modules which I'll be importing is sys. I hope you must be knowing what this is. If not, then just go and visit this Google and just search out for the sys. The request, then the next module is request. It is a simple STP. What the Python page for request says that it's a simple STP for the humans. Yeah, it's HTTP. You need to, if you need to connect with this web server from the Python program, you need to import this request. Furthermore, it was a URL lib by the Python, which which has a very, it has a simple burst, so it has gradually moved to the request. Then we have a beautiful shoe model. It's one of the best thing that the Python has. Now what it beautiful soup actually tries to do is simply try to get out the data from the web page what you want. I mean, you don't need to visit the whole website or extract the text. I mean, you need to read all the text and go through the images, which is not very funky, or something which is not very useful to you. So, uh, Beautiful Studio actually extracts only those informations which you really like. I mean, if you need to extract only the text formats of the website, so it's of no use to visit to see those pictures and wait for those pictures to load. So Beautiful Soup will actually extract those text files. I mean, in this model we'll be using to extract those those links and then gather out. So for the source code, you can visit my GitHub page. It has been over there. Yeah, it's github.com/unpredictableprashant/webcrawler. Just check for the upper and lower cases, and yeah, obviously in Beautiful Soup, just check for this upper and lower cases as caps, and this P is in caps. Fine. You can don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like our Facebook page. The links have been mentioned in the descriptions. And yeah, to contact us, you can always email me from at prashantsavior@gmail.com. And obviously, my friend on both of us are working on the same project, making a simple web crawler, and we are working on various projects. So you can also mail him the wabisal38@gmail.com. So now enough of talking. So let's start with the program. Let's first I'll be importing our modules. So our modules first, let's import sys. Then I'll be importing request module. Fine. Then from bs4 I'll be import Beautiful Soup model. Fine. So it's Notepad++ I'm using. So let's define this with a language, and let's save this into a file. And I'll be going to this text house. Actually, it's not my PC. I'm using Valve's PC. Fine. So let's go, and then we'll be having this program something like this pie. Fine. We'll be saving it over here. Just to save, and then rename this as Webcrawler. Fine. So we have imported whatever module we want. Then let's start with the we'll be defining a function of Webcrawler. And then we having this max. This will the of data form. So what is a concept and how we'll proceed? So let's start again with this. Let's visit this website. So fine. So first we need to visit what our calls to do. First he need to visit this awards.com. Then it needs to search this. Suppose that I need to one page. It needs to go and search, and then after searching it will just extract this links, and gradually after extracting all those links, it doesn't have a more page, but if it has a more page, let's search for something else. Let's search for more game. I would like to play games. Then I'll be moving to this. Then it will gradually search 1 2 3. So, and keep on extracting those links from this. So till now what we have seen is on models need. Let's go back again. So first we need to ask the user that what it wants to search. So let's define the search and then raw input. If you are using Python 3.4, then you need to instead of working raw input, just directly write input. Enter the type. It's just a type of mistakes. The type of website you want to search. Type of website you want to search in the search cat. Fine. So let's do this. Then we need to have this file name. What we need to is that we need to a name of the the file which will have exactly the same name what our query will result. Fine. So let's file name equals search, and obviously the type of the staff will be saving is txt format. Fine. Let's see, it's working. Fine. Sometimes it doesn't work, and then I'll have to make txt format. Fine. Then we'll make F10 and we'll open the file. Fine. And obviously the file name which has file name. Fine. I hope fine. So what I will do now, our objective is, since how we are gonna save this. So first we will print the URL in our console window, and whatever the URL which is printing on the console window, gradually it will save onto a text file. So we are using first storing whole std. Let's define this with this now. Std out in the list. So out. Fine. Then this std output will have the this will gather this one. Fine. So let's print what should be there in the text file, because this will be shown to you in the console window. Fine. So now this whatever we'll be having is in the text file. This text file. So this is the list of best websites which has been fine. So let's do this, and then let's forget one more thing that sorry, let's put some spaces, and just forget write one more thing, that it should also pop out the name of the categories. So just mention search, so it will actually fine. So as of now Oh, I just forgot to then transfer the sys.st out will actually have ah std out. Huh. So as of now let's work with till now what we have done is we have opened the console window. It will pop out with the pop up with the following text, like enter the tab of the website you want to search in the category. You will simply write the name of the category, and then it will, with this the name of the category, it will just create a simple text file, and then it will write that text file with this adds a best websites and fine, and it's right, and then write the name of the search query. Then give two spaces. It will just go to the next line or something like that, and then after that we are just transferring this std out to the value of this std which was having previous one back to the console. So let's work with this while. So first it will, what we are trying to do actually at here, let's have the problem with this max pages. It's not working like this. So fine, let's set this, and now our main object, let's define the URL. So now here our actual work starts. So what we are gonna do is let's go back to our sites. Fine. Till now, what it will do? It will just go and see scan, and it will just watch on the URL. What is the URL? Then what we have searched, it's displayed over here, but it doesn't have any parameters to change and just go to the another. So this has a parameter, so fine, we are getting the parameter. Let's change this with 1. What we have, we got this. Let's change it with this 3. We got it, fine. So what we can do is we can just go and change this both parameters. If we happen to type, let's change this and let's type it something 1. Let's try this. Let's go. Fine, it is in the page third. Fine, the page third of 1. So basically we need to change this parameter and this integer. So let's copy out the URL and paste it over here. Fine, we need this and this. Fine, as no. Fine, let's delete this and delete this. So string, just add this search what we have searched, then add this. Fine, deny. Hope we are going good. And then finally what we will add is yeah, exactly, this pages. It is acting as a counter, so this will keep on changing. Yeah, I must have got this. It'll keep on changing this. Fine, 1 2 and then page forward, so the string. Fine, so now we are going to use let's define as source code. We need to grab the source code from this URL. So what will actually do, it will just go to this, go view source pages. It will go over here and Then after getting this, it will try to extract the links. Let's go on. Let's see. Yeah, it must be having the, let's see, it's having the getting a, it's having one of them. So we'll just try to extract those links from after visiting the source code. So that's what we are doing is source code. We'll use this request modules request and get this L. Fine. Then as I told you, now I'll be using a beautiful soup model, full soup module, and then text. Plain text to extract. Then now here is something which requires to again analyze this. Let's close this. Now what we have got is to this, then we find this. And what we actually need to do is we will extract this link, and let's write it link in so fine. Oh, fine. So now we need to mention what type of link, because if you happen to visit this, you will find that there are a number of links, like see this when this is also one of the link, even this is also a type of link with a CS file. So we don't need to gather all those links. I mean, there are certain links like this as websites or something about us and all, so we won't be needing those links. Only we need to extract the links. I like, let's see, this has, let's go it out and inspect element. Let's see what type of link is this. So we need to extract the link which has a href. It's common with all these links, so it's type blank. So yeah, it has a definite class at pt/url. So let's see that ho pt as url. Let's see what type of does any other class has. This has, this is what we require for the move. Require this, fine, this. So this is the only the class which has the links of the external websites. Fine. So we'll define this class, and obviously this is something which we really want, because so let's start with this. Okay, class, go to class, then just visit this, and just I hope it's pt, and then make the type of mistakes. bt fine. Oh, it's gone. We made it one mistakes over here. So okay, so there, and let's define with such a if class certificate. Now, what actually does this mean? What we are doing over here is, let's again go back this. We are trying to, this value is of href. So till now what we have done is we have visited this class, this pturl, and we have gone to this, and then we have visited vturl. Now what all we need to extract from that, we won't be needing this visit site or the text or something like that. We only we need is the content of the href. So we'll be getting, so we'll be extracting the only this content href. So right, then again we need to store this onto our uh, text file. So again the whole process which we have already done over here, repeat it out. So we have again restored our stdout value, and then we have till now here we have printed onto a text file. So what is we need to print even onto this console so that we can say when this program gets halted or something, what are the results in the console window. So this within the console, and obviously then we need find this the counter. This is obviously the counter. So finally I forgot to open this file, and I guess now we have done a pretty good job. Start going. Let's call this function and let's, as of now, let's start with this one. Let's this window. Oh, I'm sorry. So command prompt. Let's see with this does Python words now. I must be using this Python 2.7. Let's go on to yes, Python. Start with this. Store into cd pi. It doesn't have spy. Got it. Let's see. Yeah, it has a Webcrawler, Python, prop crawler py. Look. Now, what does it say? It says this request modules. It doesn't have any request module. So in the Python 2.7 version, it actually doesn't have any request module. So you need to download it from the Python website, and then extract those and save it onto your Python 2.27 folder. So instead of doing that, there is another way of getting all this. So doing this, let's go to the Python, yeah, fine. Then let's visit this script. It has already scripts. Let's go. Then it has this easy installer. So what I'll try doing is installer, and then I will try to import this request. Stack the name of the request, and I hope, let's see what it does. just visit the sites and try to download the request module and then save it down to library files of the Python 2.7. Search for the request, reading this file, best match, got it. Scary. Finished. Fine. Let's I can run this. Then it says now it has not been covered with this bs4, so it will try to, we need to install this bs4 bs4 find for bs4. That's my cell phone. Fine. It doesn't have any beautiful, so let's do this beautiful. Oh, I made a mistake now. So let's do this with this beautiful soup. It has a beautiful soup model. I hope now this has it. Since it has been installed, no module name bs4. So let's work out with this again. Sorry, bs4. I got it. This beautiful soup, maybe it has it under the name of the beautiful soup 4 model. So maybe they may doing the same mistake, because I was just doing this to show you guys that whatever module you stack, it doesn't have beautiful shoe 4. Fine, let's try with this. I hope this will do our work. Now we have got this 4.4.1 version. It's now, I guess it must work. Yeah, the name of the category. Let's start with this game. Fine, it is extracting. Let's go and see that what it has. It has by it has opened this game, just 2 spaces, and then it has extracted the name of the website. Fine, so Crawler is just working. Let's delete this and then just go and make this. Like, suppose it has a scroll 1, that scroll is still 5. Does it works? It has crawl, if not, it has crawls from websites, and then search the game. Really want that is searching, extracting the list of the websites. Fine. So let's go and see that again. Does it has? Yeah, it has. So, but right now what we saw is we have this one warning message here. What it says, let's see. When this dev website, yeah, it got it. User warning, no no passwords explicitly specified, so I'm using the best available HTML pass for the system, that is HTML.pass. This usually isn't a problem, but if you run this code on another system or in a different virtual environment, it may use a different parser and behave differently. So to get rid of this warning, what we can do is we just need to add HTML.parser into our source code. Code. So let's just add HTML.parser. Let's see this. As of now, I don't think that it should. Parser. Let's do this again. Let's do a file check. It's working. It didn't show any warning message now, so I hope our code is working perfectly fine. So now what you can do is you can play with this. You can just visit the site and try to extract these texts. So what you can do is just go and search for the source code of this text, and just go and search for the text source code of this text, and just try to find out that what class it has. I mean, this has a pool class. Then what you really need to extract, just define those and just play out with this. Just go into various other websites, try to do that, do this, do that, and then yeah, obviously don't forget to like our uh, Facebook page. The description is already been mentioned over there, and yeah, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay updated with the latest videos. Thank you for watching.